Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo word for today is the word Mmiri. Mmiri, very simple. Mmiri. And the word Mmiri in English means water, water or water, like some people will call it, or water. Whichever one you are okay with, that is what it is. Water, water. Mmiri. Water is life. Mmiri bụ ndụ. Mmiri bụ ndụ. Water is life. Example of usage of the word water. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? That's a question. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ mmiri? Do you want to drink water? Do you want to drink water? Do you want to drink water? Whichever one. So I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, see you tomorrow. Kemesia.